Elon Musk just dropped a bombshell that's about to completely destroy the traditional car industry. And it's not what you think. Today, we're breaking down Tesla's game-changing 2026 Model 2 and the 17 massive changes that will make this the most revolutionary car launch in history. From a shocking price point that undercuts every competitor to manufacturing breakthroughs that seemed impossible just months ago, this vehicle is set to capture 89% of the automotive market Tesla has never touched before. Welcome back to Tesla Torch, where we bring you the latest Tesla innovations before anyone else. If this kind of cutting-edge Tesla content is what you're here for, smash that like button and subscribe with notifications on. Because what I'm about to reveal about the Model 2's pricing will blow your mind. Let's start with the number that's sending shockwaves through Detroit and beyond. The Tesla Model 2 will retail for just $25,000 before incentives. But here's where it gets absolutely insane. When you factor in federal tax credits of up to $7,500 and various state incentives, the effective price drops to a jaw-dropping $19,459. Think about that for a moment. We're talking about a brand new Tesla, a vehicle from the company that redefined what electric cars could be, for less than $20,000. This isn't just competitive pricing. This is market disruption on a scale we've never seen before. To put this in perspective, the average price of a new car in America is over $48,000. Tesla is offering a vehicle at less than half that price. But it gets even more interesting when you compare it to gas vehicles in the same price range. Most cars at this price point are either used vehicles with questionable reliability or budget models with minimal features and poor performance. The psychological barrier that has kept millions of consumers away from electric vehicles has always been price. Even the most affordable EVs like the Chevy Bolt at $31,000 or the Nissan Leaf at $28,000 were still considered premium purchases for most American families. Tesla has just obliterated that barrier. At $19,459, the Model 2 isn't just competitive with other electric vehicles, it's competitive with virtually every vehicle on the road. But here's what the legacy automakers are really terrified about. Tesla isn't just undercutting them on price. They're doing it while maintaining the technological superiority and build quality that made Tesla a household name. This means that for the first time, consumers won't have to choose between affordability and cutting-edge technology. They can have both. This pricing strategy reveals the true genius of Elon Musk's master plan. Tesla has dominated the premium EV market, but that represents only about 11% of the total automotive market. The remaining 89%, the mass market where families buy practical, affordable vehicles, has been completely untouched by Tesla until now. The Model 2 changes everything. It's Tesla's declaration of war on the entire automotive industry. The ripple effects of this pricing will be felt across every major automaker. Companies like Ford, GM, and Volkswagen have spent billions trying to catch up to Tesla in the premium EV space, only to discover that Tesla was preparing to attack from below. While they were focused on competing with the Model S and Model 3, Tesla was secretly developing technology that would allow them to profitably sell vehicles at prices these companies can't even imagine reaching. Now, you might be wondering how Tesla can possibly make money selling cars at this price point. The answer lies in the most revolutionary manufacturing breakthrough in automotive history. Tesla has completely reimagined how cars are built with their new unibody casting method. Instead of traditional manufacturing that requires thousands of individual parts welded and bolted together, Tesla is creating entire sections of the car as single, massive cast pieces. Imagine trying to build a house by cutting each board individually, drilling every hole by hand, and assembling everything piece by piece. Now, imagine if you could create entire walls as single units. That's essentially what Tesla has achieved with the Model 2. Where traditional cars might require hundreds of parts and dozens of assembly steps for a single section, Tesla is casting entire structural components as one piece. This isn't just more efficient, It's exponentially more efficient. The complexity reduction is staggering. Traditional car manufacturing involves intricate supply chains, precise timing, and enormous quality control challenges because so many separate components must fit together perfectly. Tesla's unibody casting eliminates most of these variables. Fewer parts mean fewer opportunities for defects, faster assembly times, and dramatically reduced manufacturing costs. The financial impact of this innovation cannot be overstated. Manufacturing costs that would typically account for 60 to 70% of a vehicle's price are being slashed by more than half. This isn't just about automation or efficiency improvements. This is a fundamental reimagining of how cars are made. Tesla isn't just building cars faster. They're building them in a completely different way that their competitors simply cannot replicate without rebuilding their entire manufacturing infrastructure. But the cost savings don't stop there. Tesla has integrated artificial intelligence throughout the entire production process. AI systems monitor quality in real time, predict maintenance needs before equipment fails, and optimize production schedules to maximize efficiency. This level of technological integration means that Tesla's manufacturing plants operate more like advanced computer systems than traditional factories. The supply chain optimizations are equally impressive. By reducing the number of individual components, Tesla has simplified their supplier relationships and reduced the complexity of inventory management. They're not just buying fewer parts, they're buying fundamentally different types of components that require less processing and integration. Quality control, which has always been one of the most expensive aspects of car manufacturing, becomes dramatically simpler when you're working with fewer, larger components. Instead of inspecting thousands of welds and joints, Tesla can focus on the integrity of a much smaller number of cast pieces. This doesn't just reduce costs, it actually improves quality because there are fewer potential failure points. Tesla's production timeline for the Model 2 is as ambitious as everything else about this project. They're planning to ramp up production faster than any vehicle launch in automotive history. The lessons learned from previous model launches, particularly the production challenges they faced with the Model 3, have been incorporated into the Model 2's production strategy from day one. The manufacturing locations are being strategically chosen to optimize both cost and delivery times. Tesla isn't just building cars. They're building a global manufacturing network that can respond to demand anywhere in the world. This distributed approach means that consumers won't face the long wait times that have historically been associated with Tesla vehicles. Now let's talk about what you actually get for that incredible price. The performance specifications of the Model 2 are going to shock you. Tesla has achieved a target efficiency of 50-60 watt-hours per kilometer. To put that in perspective, that's significantly better than any electric vehicle currently on the market, including Tesla's own premium models. This efficiency comes from a combination of factors that showcase Tesla's technological mastery. The lightweight structure, made possible by the unibody casting method, reduces the energy required to move the vehicle. Advanced battery technology increases energy density while reducing weight. The aerodynamic design achieves a drag coefficient that rivals sports cars, but in a practical, everyday vehicle. But here's the number that will make gas car owners question everything. The Model 2's life cycle energy consumption is projected to be 10 times less than equivalent gasoline vehicles. This isn't just about fuel costs. This is about the total energy required to manufacture, operate, and dispose of the vehicle over its entire lifetime. The acceleration capabilities are equally impressive. While specific numbers haven't been officially released, Tesla's track record suggests that even their most affordable vehicle will outperform most gas cars in its price range. We're likely looking at year 60 times. That would have been considered supercar territory just a decade ago. Range anxiety, the psychological barrier that has kept many consumers away from electric vehicles, becomes irrelevant with the Model 2. Tesla's advanced battery technology and exceptional efficiency mean that this affordable vehicle will likely offer range comparable to much more expensive electric vehicles currently on the market. Charging speed improvements mean that road trips become not just possible, but practical. Tesla's supercharger network continues to expand, and the Model 2 will take full advantage of the A-test charging technology. What once required hours of charging time is being reduced to minutes. The driving dynamics promise to deliver the engaging, responsive experience that Tesla vehicles are known for. The low center of gravity, created by the battery pack placement, combined with the precise weight distribution made possible by the unibody design, creates handling characteristics that traditional gas cars simply cannot match. Safety features that are typically reserved for luxury vehicles come standard with the Model 2. Tesla's approach to safety isn't about adding expensive options. It's about building safety into the fundamental design of the vehicle. The structural integrity of the unibody casting, combined with advanced sensors and AI-powered safety systems, creates a level of protection that exceeds what most consumers expect from vehicles in this price range. But perhaps the most revolutionary aspect of the Model 2 is its software capabilities. This isn't just a car with some electronic features. This is a computer on wheels that happens to provide transportation. Tesla's over-the-air update system means that the car you buy today will literally become more capable over time. The autonomous driving features included at the base price represent technology that competitors charge tens of thousands of dollars for, if they offer it at all. While full self-driving capability continues to evolve, the Model 2 includes advanced driver assistance features that make every drive safer and more comfortable. The AI technologies integrated throughout the vehicle don't just enhance safety, they learn and adapt to your driving patterns. The car becomes more efficient as it learns your routes, more comfortable as it adapts to your preferences, and more convenient as it anticipates your needs. Future-proofing through software evolution means that the Model 2 you buy in 2026 will continue to improve for years to come. New features, performance improvements, and capability enhancements will be delivered wirelessly, ensuring that your vehicle doesn't become obsolete. The user interface and entertainment systems represent the latest in Tesla's software development. The large touchscreen that has become Tesla's signature isn't just about looking futuristic. It's about providing access to capabilities that traditional car interfaces simply cannot support. Integration with Tesla's broader ecosystem means that your Model 2 works seamlessly with Solar Roof, Powerwall, and other Tesla energy products. This isn't just a car. It's part of a comprehensive, sustainable energy solution for your entire life. The implications of the Model 2 extend far beyond Tesla's own success. This vehicle represents the moment when electric vehicles transition from being a premium alternative to being the obvious choice for everyone. When the most advanced, most capable, and most future-ready vehicle is also the most affordable, the entire automotive industry must respond or become irrelevant. Legacy automakers who have spent decades perfecting internal combustion engines suddenly find themselves competing against a company that has eliminated the engine entirely. Their manufacturing expertise, built over generations, becomes a liability when Tesla demonstrates that cars can be built in fundamentally better ways. The Model 2 isn't just Tesla's most important vehicle, it's potentially the most important vehicle launch in automotive history. It represents the moment when sustainable transportation becomes accessible to everyone, when cutting-edge technology becomes standard equipment, and when the future of mobility becomes the present reality. This is why Tesla's stock continues to defy predictions, why Elon Musk's vision continues to reshape entire industries, and why the Model 2 will be remembered as the vehicle that changed everything. At $19,549, Tesla isn't just offering an affordable electric car. They're offering a glimpse into a future where transportation is cleaner, smarter, and more accessible than ever before. If this breakdown of Tesla's game-changing Model 2 opened your eyes to just how revolutionary this vehicle really is, make sure you're subscribed to Tesla Torch with notifications turned on. We'll be following every development as Tesla prepares to reshape the automotive industry once again. What aspect of the Model 2 are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video where we dive even deeper into Tesla's master plan for total market domination.